Hello, today I'm starting a course on portrait drawing with colored pencils, and I'll be drawing Dmitry Nagiev from the television series Fizruk. I drew this portrait more than 5 years ago, and now I want to redo it and explain how I'll do it with detailed commentary. I'll briefly talk about the materials I'll be using and the workspace you should ideally prepare for yourself. First of all, it's the lighting. There should be plenty of light so that, look, I've set up the lighting right now. I have a shadow coming from my right hand because I'm left-handed, so it'll be convenient for me to see the whole drawing without casting a shadow over the paper. And the light itself, I have a special softbox with a lot of bulbs in it, and they actually shine quite brightly. If you don't have that option, maybe sit closer to a window, closer to a lamp, or turn on a desk lamp. In general, lighting is very important so that you can clearly see shapes, colors, shades, and tonal relationships. Here's the second point. The paper I'm going to use is Strathmore Bristol, or there's also Clairefontaine Bristol. That's also pretty good. Well, as a last resort, Gosnack paper will do, but it's still harder to make a quality portrait on it because the quality of the paper isn't as good. Also, well, a regular pencil, that's obvious, and I'll be using an electric eraser. The only thing is, I think right now I want to make the nose a bit longer and the lips a little bit lower. Accordingly, they will be, yes, something like this, for example. And lower. That's not important now. I can handle it and we'll deal with everything else later. Regarding the eyes, once we've done the eyes, we'll gradually move on to all the other parts. Let's continue. I entered 947 here. Over my dirty peach. Here's what colorful thing I can add here. 943, I take it and put it in here. Then I take the light blue and put it in here. It's darker and the eye becomes rounder because of this. Alright, there we go. There's a little bit. I'll just take some black in a few places. Morse. Then nude. Found a blender. This is basically a pencil, just colorless actually. It's needed to polish certain areas. But if you don't have one, it's not a problem. You can just take and use a white pencil or some light ones or those that you can't reach. Let's take the orange one. I'm taking the red one, a cooler shade. On top I change the direction a bit and add some more red. The main rule is that at first we use colors that are purer and brighter, and then we'll start adding to them. We'll start mixing them with some cool or brown tones. Let's start with the lower part of the face. First I'll finish the stubble here a bit, and then I'll move on to the nose. I'm taking the 948 pencil. It's about the same as the 947 brown, but it's cooler in tone. Cooler basically. A bit more pale, just a little. To be continued, this is a blender. It's missing some kind of pink, something cool toned right here. This black in its pure form, I wouldn't leave it, or rather I won't leave it. I'll add a little bit of blue there. because pure black will look very ugly. Well, I guess we can wrap it up here. I'll just add a little bit of black here. Here, maybe I'll come back for some small details and check things, but overall, I think it's already 99% done. 9%. So, I hope this course was useful for you. I wish you creative success and new victories. Good luck.